This has all happened to us before. We've gotten a hole in our gear. How do you fix it? Well, there's quite a few different ways. We suggest using some tenacious tape from GearAid. Great stuff, quick and easy. What you want to do is make sure the surrounding area of your sleeping bag or tent is clean. And if there's any fill hanging out, make sure you push it through. Get a piece of tenacious tape the same size as the hole itself. Pull off the backing. Today we're using clear. Make sure you have a nice solid ground to push on without any wrinkles underneath it. And just lay the tenacious tape down to where you're covering that hole. After you get it on there, give it a nice push. Make sure the tape takes, work out the bubbles if there are any in there. And now your sleeping bag has a story from a trail that you can share with your friends around the next campfire. That's how you fix holes in your gear, everybody.